This space is an excellent opportunity that is here already.
Benefit the rest of their life.
Is used greatly by our community.
Every individual story, each memory of the natatorium creates a larger picture of community.
I made some of my closest friends here.
Maggie Curtis is an aquatics aide and West Shore School District graduate herself, swimming competitively for a decade.
And now I get to help all these other kids in the district.
But it's beyond competition where the natatorium continues to shine.
There's hundreds of things that go along here. Second grade swimming, there's fourth grade swimming, there's sixth grade boating, there is high school classes with swim endurance and swim skills. There is a lifeguard course that we do, survival swimming that we've started to integrate in.
And they've done so for decades, as these archived photos suggest, not only from the natatorium, but from Gifford Pinchot State Park.
Outdoor adventure classes come down here to learn about boating and canoeing.
Classes that started inside before heading to the elements.
These kinds of classes are invaluable.
2025 West Shore School Board President Kelly Brent says it's the outdoor spaces that serve as a crucial motivation for the proposed renovations inside the natatorium.
To the left, we have the Yellow Breeches. To the right, we have the Susquehanna. To the south, we have Gifford Pinchot. Too many bodies of water and too many children that don't know how to swim.
Well, this is the underbelly of the natatorium.
To keep those classes alive is where we come to some of the needed renovations.
One of our major challenges is these kinds of pipe hangers that are just starting to corrode and cause the pipes to sag, and we've had issues where pipes will break because they're not getting the proper support.
Brett Sanders is the Director of Operations and Planning for the West Shore School District and takes us on a walkthrough from the bottom up in the facility.
But this runs the length, and if you come around the corner, you can see how shallow some of this gets. But basically, all of the inner workings, the plumbing and those kinds of things are up for replacement and renovation so that we can keep the pool operating successfully.
Operations that have been halted at times due to properly maintaining the aging facility.
The electrical panels that you're looking at right now are original to the facility from 1987. This is another component of the natatorium facility that is at the end of its useful life and really should be replaced at this point in time.
Other improvements include better storage of chemicals, location and access of the HVAC unit, and the drop ceiling, both for maintenance crews and spectators.
We've actually had corrosion of the ceiling grid system, and we've had portions of the grid collapse and start to fall down. So we're looking to make that repair and replacement to pull that out to an exposed ceiling system and change the ventilation. But that'll improve both the comfort of our folks here in the natatorium, and it will prevent some maintenance issues by getting that drop ceiling.
All adding up to the importance of acting when the time is right.
I also see the importance of keeping up with our facilities in that manner so that there's not a break in that.
And the longer we put it off, the bigger trouble we're going to be in. And absolutely the more costly the project will become.
Ensuring the future not just for students, but for everyone.
Everyone in our school district has access to the natatorium.
Take advantage of the space that we have, improve the space that we have so we can continue to keep these kids safe in this pool and outside.
It will save lives every day.